Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Friday, August 12, 2022. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute. Pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Today's announcements. Teachers, please go ahead and post attendance. We did an excellent job yesterday. Everyone posted attendance. We had 100%, so that was an exciting day. We will continue Chromebook distribution today. Ms. Gibbs or Ms. Smith will call your classroom when it's time to pick up. We have already distributed devices for 5th grade, 4th grade, and 3rd grade. Today we will start working on 2nd grade. Kindergarten already has their iPads, and we will be working on 1st grade a little bit later. Completed sets of compacts should be sent to Ms. Horton today. Remember, only send them if they are complete. Also, student applications will be available on Monday for the KSE broadcast team. This team will be responsible for making the morning newscast happen. There will be on-camera and off-camera positions available. Today's late duty is Ms. Blankenship. Monday is Overstreet, Tuesday is Hamlin, Wednesday is Bolton, Thursday is Arch, and Friday is Low. Important dates. Today we have Kona Ice. August 18th, we have Fall Pictures. September 5th, Labor Day, no school for students. September 21st is going to be our Fall Makeup Picture Day. October 7th is the end of the first quarter already. October 10th, no school because it's a teacher work day. Also, another reminder, students and teachers, our classrooms must be quiet during afternoon dismissal. We still have too many students that are missing their numbers. Please make a plan to help your students. Our outside car duty teachers need your help. And we have Kona Ice today. Teachers, you should have received a special roster for Kona Ice with columns that you can mark which Kona Ice that your students have ordered, and in the final column, how much money that each student turned in. Would not be a terrible idea at the bottom to put the total. And you will collect all of that this morning, and then it will go with them to PE in one nice large Ziploc bag, and they will handle it from there. That's all for today's news. Have a fantastic Friday, Kate Shepherd.